Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will learn the next step, which is step number 10. After finishing the sajda, you have to lift your head, then you have to raise your forehead first, then the nose, and finally the hands. And then you have to draw your both feet toward the right side, and you have to sit on the left buttock. Then you have to place your right hand on your right thigh and left hand on your left thigh. This sitting position between the two sajda is called jalsa, which is very important. Some people make mistake in the jalsa. They don't sit straight, and without sitting straight, they go back to the second sajda. The important thing is you should have to stay in this position for as long as Subhanallah can be uttered at least once. It is recommended to say Allahumma gfirli in the jalsa. And now, after doing the jalsa, you have to go to the second sajda saying Allahu Akbar as in the first one, and then you have to raise the head first, then stand up, keeping weight over the toes with head placed on the knees, hands placed on the knees. This is how you will know that you have completed your first rak'ah. After completing your first rak'ah, you have to stand straight again in the qiyam position, and then you have to start the second rak'ah. And the second rak'ah is performed in the same way, but there are two different that in the second rak'ah you will not recite the sana, and then you will not recite ta'awuz. You will start the namaz saying tasmiyah, okay? And then the same thing, that after tasmiyah you have to recite Surah Fatiha, then Surah Ikhlas, then you will do the ruku, then again the first sajda, then jalsa, and then the second sajda. This is how you will complete the second rak'ah, second unit.